Hello and welcome everyone, Adil with you here in a new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing this microphone, this amazing microphone, this USB microphone from Sound Audio, which they sent me for review. Here it is, how it looks. We're gonna be seeing this microphone more in depth later on, but first let me say a big thanks to this brand Sound Audio for sending me this review sample. Now for the unboxing part, I'll be doing that using my camera microphone so that you'll feel the difference once I start recording with the microphone, even though I'll still be doing a very comparison in real time once the microphone is on. So for the box, as you can see, it's in very bad shape, but that didn't arrive like that. It was because it was opened by the customs and resealed, and once I received it, since it was opened and mixed with many other products, I had to wash it and clean it with a wet sheet of cloth. So yeah, that's why it's all torn apart and everything, and all the products arrived in perfect shape. The box doesn't have any much information. I think it's a standard box for all their products, but yes, I think that but that does not mean that this product is bad. Studio microphone we have here, the brand, and that's all we can have here. Once we open up the box, we notice that there is a small space here. It's due to that there is a product that I asked from them to send me, and that I will be showing in the next video or another video. Here we have the stand, the top part of the stand, the shock mount, here it is. USB cable, because this microphone is a USB cable, and then finally the microphone itself. As you saw, all the products were very well packed and arrived in good shape. Now we're gonna talk about each product one by one. So for this metallic stand, as you can see, here it is. You turn it like this and it expands up to this much, and then you can close it up like this. This is made of full metal. As you can see, it's really metallic. Here this part is plastic, but it's not a problem. It's very solid and very durable, and I really think that it is well made. This stand is fully metallic too. It's very heavy. It's heavy metal. You won't be afraid that your microphone will shake or fall or anything. So I think that the stand part was really made very well. You can install in the hair very good microphones, heavy ones, or anything you want. You won't be afraid that it would fall, and even the quality is very beautiful. Here we have some brushed metal pattern, if you can see it. Yes, so as I was saying, this one is very heavy, and you won't be afraid that your microphone will fall or would shake. No, that won't be a problem. And to connect this one, we'll see that a bit later on. Here we have the shock mount. Now for the shock mount, this middle part or the main part is very good quality. As you can see, it absorbs all the shakes and keeps the microphone in place intactly. And I have another shock mount, and comparing this middle part of it, it's basically the same quality, although this one is plastic here, but that does not cause a problem. Here in this part where we can plug the microphone, it has an adapter which is here. While this one, if you have a bigger microphone, you'll have to lift it like this and then put your microphone and then re-screw it up, or if it's this model, then you just keep it as it was and just screw it from the top part, the bottom part. This one is plastic too, but it holds very tightly and can keep the microphone in place without any problem. Now, what I noticed with this choke mount is this part here, not here, but where we plug where we connect it to the stand, as it's plastic made here, and most of the stands like this one is metallic made and doesn't hold it off very well. It won't fall, but it would be very hard to plug it in place and keep it in place. As well as another problem that I noticed is that these brushes tend to get eaten up while you try to screw it up very hardly, and if you don't keep it screwed up in place very hardly, what would happen is that it would slide like this. But it's not a problem. It won't that won't lead to the microphone falling, but just pointing that out. The USB cable is a standard USB cable, as you can see. So this microphone comes with every needed part to make it run, not like other microphones where you'll be needing a mixing table or a phantom power or some other cables XLR that you'd have to buy apart, and then you'll be spending much more money than the microphone's price itself just to make it run. So not a problem with this microphone, as it comes with everything that you would need. Now for the microphone, as we said, this is the Spaceship X. It's very beautiful, very heavy, metallic hair, metal hair. It's very good quality, and everything that they made here is very good. We have here the USB Type-C port, as you can see here. I don't know if it appears. Yes, it appears very well. The USB cable. Here we have this part, which is a stand for the specific microphone stands. So you'll put it like this, or orient it to your mouth, however you want it to be connected, like this or like this, and it would still be vertically facing your mouth. And it can be removed if you want to install it in the stand. We're gonna be doing that a bit later on. We can see here the microphone inside, which appears to be very beautifully made too. I mean that this microphone, talking about the building quality, I think it's very good. Here we have a plug to put in your headset or earphones so you can hear directly your voice, how it will sound from the microphone. We have this echo manual controller. We can add echo or reduce echo, or if you put it at the lowest, it will automatically deactivate all the echo, and at the highest it will give a very good effect if you want to use it for singing or anything, as this microphone is not just dedicated for gamers or streamers or someone. I mean, you can use it even if you are talking or chatting in my Skype or something like this, and you would still be able to use it if you're new to music or something like this, or if you want to sing an amateur. If you are an amateur singer, you could use it too. Here we have the gain. You can, if you put it at the lowest, it would not deactivate the microphone this time, but it would make it very low. If you put it to the highest, you would have a very good sound, but the problem with that is that it would give a lot of grain and would record all the voices in the room. So I do not recommend putting it on the highest. You can put it in the middle or something like this, but not the highest. Only if you have a specific material in your room that will eliminate the noise and other grains in the sound. And of course a button to turn off and turn on the sound. About the gain level, if you see, I think that it plays a little bit, and that is related to the quality of the switch that is found in it. It's a regulator that turns the spins. I think that compared to the Eco one, that if you see, it turns on very slowly, this one tends to play a little bit, but that does not mean that it is a lesser quality or cheaper quality. I'm just pointing out everything that I noticed. Now for the installation, it's very easy. We take the stand, we put this on here. Very good. Now in here, we're gonna be connecting this one. Here, it's done. This is how it looks now. Very solid. Now, before installing the microphone, as I said, I would first want to remove this part. Very easily removed. We screw it up back again. Very well. Now, all you have left to do is connect your USB cable. I have mine already set up because I like this, and once it's connected, everything is ready. Don't forget to uncut to connect it like this. Now we'll go to the computer and plug our USB cable in a USB output. Any USB output will be just fine. Here we plugged the microphone. If it's the first time plugging it, you'll see an output, something coming here, a notification saying that an audio peripheral has been plugged. And then what you're gonna be doing, or what you need to do, is go here in your audio, you right click, audio parameters, and you come here, you open it up, you come here, and then recording. You would find your USB audio device. You would have to set it to default. Once that's done, you are set and ready. This you don't need it. And one more thing, if you don't find your microphone here, you may have to use this program. It's called Restoro. So it's like a driver for the microphone. It will automatically install the driver for your microphone, and everything will be set and done. All you have to do is restart your PC once you would have it installed, and you are done. I only kept the shortcut here to show it to you, and that's it. So you have your audio now all set and ready. You have your microphone set and ready. You click OK here, and it's done. That's done. It's very easy. Now to record your voice, you can use any tool to record the voice, but what I would recommend is using Audacity. It's an open source program that's very helpful, and it has many options, and it records the voice in a very good quality. So I would really recommend using it, and it's free, so you don't have to fear anything or any problem. We open it up. Thank you. Okay, so here it is. It's all set and ready. You will come here, you put it to your USB audio device. It should be already set, but anyway, you'll just have to check it once again. With that done, all you have to do now is start recording by clicking this red button. I am now recording my voice using the microphone, and as I said, I'll do a small trick, which is clapping. As you see now, I have clapped. It had given me this high tone. Now every time I am talking, it is giving me my voice, and when I stop talking, you would see some noise. You see here, we have those small points every time. Even though I did not talk, that is noise. But using Audacity, we can easily delete it later on, and I'll be showing you how to do that very quickly. So I think that's it for this recording, and as this is a microphone dedicated not for gamers but for musicians too, so I'll be doing a small music test recording my voice. I'll be doing the sound of silence for a few seconds. You are now hearing me comparing my voice between the microphone without any noise deleted in the background, I mean the microphone's voice enhanced, and between the camera voice and the phone recording microphone, because I did record my voice with the microphone to to have the chance to compare it with every possible outcome that there would be. Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping. Finally, I would like to say that I really like this microphone. I think that, as you have seen, the sound quality was very good. Once you use Audacity to delete the noise from the background and enhance your voice using some other program too, maybe your voice is very perfect. And for a microphone this cheap, I think that he outdone itself. Outdone itself. I think that the sound quality was very good. Using it was very simple. It was a simple plug and play, and it was ready to use. Some cases they did have some problem to installing the driver, but as you have seen, it's a double click to install the driver. Even if you do encounter that problem, it's very easy to solve it. It's just a double click with the driver and no big deal, and it does not need any tool to work with another program. It doesn't need any tool to work, any XLR cables or phantom power or a mixing table. It works directly with the computer and gives off a very fairly nice quality of sound. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any other videos of my next products, which are right here. Right here. You see them? By the way, this is my Instagram page with now 21.5k followers. Please do subscribe to and never miss one of my amazing posts, which I do them once a day. Goodbye.